Hi everyone, my name is Hongyou Lin, and today I'm going to talk about my final project for ESE 519, which is a radar-enhanced laser turret model. So just like the name suggests, this is a toy model for radar and laser turret, and it is powered by Arduino Uno. It also has a user interface that looks kind of like this here, and it should also allow the user to choose between auto and manual firing, laser firing when something is detected by the radar. So for the motivation, when I was young, I always enjoy watching sci-fi where there are like cool laser guns. So now today I have the knowledge, so why not build myself something that is fun and also fulfill my childhood wish. And I also think it's educational. So this is my primary motivation. Moreover, this idea has a high degree of modularity. The name radar enhanced laser turret already suggests that it has a radar and laser module. There are also user interface and target modules. Lastly, I think this idea is highly achievable because it is a good continuation of their previous labs, because some components like ultrasonic sensors and LCD screens are already used in lab 3 and 4, well, with other components joining in building this product, I think this project is going to be fun, but also challenging. Here is the design diagram. So as we can see, there are in total 4 modules here. The radar module just has like a servo motor that drives the mount and the ultrasonic sensors to scan a circular sector periodically. If there's a target detected within this area, the laser module should fire laser beams, given that the servo motors of the laser turns itself to the correct angle. So there's going to be a transformation of coordinates here. For the user interface module, the information collected by the radar, meaning the distance and the angle of the target, is going to be shown dynamically on this LCD screen here. The target module should also has a photoresistor or something that detects for the laser beams, so that whenever the laser beams hits the target, which means this target is shot by the laser beam, so it should get killed and disappear from the radar. So this servo motor is gonna flips down this target. So imagine this like a target board with a photoresistor attached on it, so that it will disappear from the radar. I also imagine this as multiple circular tracks, where for each track I could have one or more targets that is free to move along the tracks, and the user should be able to maybe like hit the button so that the servo motor flips up the target and it appears on the radar again, ready to get shoot. So yeah, this is the idea. And also there's a joystick here, so the user could choose to control the turret manually and fire laser beams. Here are the components. For the sensor, we have the ultrasonic sensors, the bob turns, and joysticks. For the actuator and the output device, we have the servo motors, the piezo buzzers. Oh, I forgot to mention this. This is just gonna be used for maybe mimic the firing sounds and maybe like sound alarm when something is detected on the radar, something simple. And also there's a LCD screen and laser diode. For the miscellaneous, these are mostly mechanical mounts for the laser and the sensors. And also there's gonna be laser cut targets and circular tracks, as well as the platform for the whole product. For the application of concepts, I would say probably 50% of work is going to be devoted for ADC and graphics libraries, and the rest of the three, meaning interrupts, timers, PWM communications, I'm going to share the remaining 50% of work. Finally, for the goals and evaluations, the goals to achieve in these projects are broken down into these 4 modules. As long as we achieve the functionality specified before for each of these modules, it is very likely that the whole product probably will have the expected behavior. But so there's also this overall task here that we should evaluate, because there could be integration issues when like these different modules, when they join together, maybe they don't work that well. Like there might be something that I overlook. And also for the user interface, it might not be as good as we think. But yeah, that calls the end. Thank you.